Hey guys, Anika here, and today I'm showing you how to make this floating ladder shelf. I basically took a traditional ladder shelf and put it up on the wall. So now we have a floating version of the ladder shelf. And I put this in my bathroom, so I also added a little bar for the towel. I started with cutting all the boards to size and sanding them smooth. You can find the dimensions for the boards in the plans by following the link in the description. Next, on the long side boards, I made holes for the towel bar using a spade bit. You want to drill the hole only about halfway through the board. Also, make sure that the holes in both the side boards are aligned. Now it is time to attach the shelves. Start with the shelf bottom board and add the 1x3 for the back using wood glue and finished nails. Next, attach the sides on both the ends the same way. Now, we have a top bar, the middle bar, and the bottom shelf. I created a template by measuring and taping the spacing for the shelves. You could also do this directly on the wall if you have enough space to move around the shelf. I was putting the shelf up in a very tiny bathroom with barely any space, so I made a template on the floor. Once your shelves are ready, you can paint or stain them in the color of your choice. I chose to go with Java gel stain to match the vanity in the bathroom. To assemble the shelf, place your shelves on the template you created on the floor or the wall and attach the side boards. Basically, apply wood glue and align the side boards to the shelf. Create the angle by measuring the edges of each shelf and deciding the spot to attach the sides. You can find the exact dimensions and the spacing in the plans linked to in the description. Once everything is aligned, just attach using finished nails. Once both the sides are attached, you can mount the shelf on the wall using anchors and screws directly into the studs if you have any in the place. It is a super easy and quick project, and I love how it adds the perfect amount of storage in my small bathroom. It is a great alternative to ladder shelves if you don't have a lot of floor space to put them on. So you just put them up on the wall and you've got your floating ladder shelf. Thank you for watching, and be sure to grab the plans and see more about how to build this shelf by following the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun projects.